ABML Morning Update. Futures indicate to attempt for a positive start with central bank meetings in spotlight. Global markets. US markets rose on Monday with the S&P 500 gaining 1.01%, the Nasdaq Composite advancing 1.22%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising 387.94 points or 0.83% as oil prices eased amid Iran war developments. US markets rebounded after 3 straight weekly declines, with oil prices easing as the US allowed Iranian tankers through the Strait of Hormuz and signaled plans for a shipping coalition, although uncertainty remains amid evolving commentary from Donald Trump on the Iran conflict. Crude stayed highly volatile, West Texas Intermediate crude approximately $93.5, Brent approximately $100.21 after last week's spike above $100 due to disrupted Hormuz traffic, while equities paired gains from stronger intraday highs and the recovery lacked robust volumes, suggesting limited conviction despite the S&P 500 being only approximately 4% below its all-time high. European stocks regained ground with the Stoxx Europe 600 up 0.77% with most major bourses and sectors in green. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on March 16th. At close, the Sensex was up 1.26% at 75,503 and Nifty was also up 1.11% at 23,409. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 132.5 points at 23,518, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's wholesale inflation rose to an 11-month high of 2.13% in February, up from 1.81% in January, indicating a gradual build-up of price pressures. The increase was driven mainly by manufactured products, the largest component of the WPI basket, where inflation climbed to 2.92%. Food inflation edged up to 1.85%, while primary articles inflation jumped to 3.27% despite a month-on-month decline caused by lower food and mineral prices. Crude petroleum and natural gas saw price increases, though fuel and power inflation remained in deflation at -3.78%, improving slightly from January. On a monthly basis, the fuel index rose 1.17%. Industry experts said stable WPI inflation is crucial for maintaining consumer confidence and protecting producer margins. They also warned that geopolitical tensions involving Iran, Israel, and the US, along with disruptions near the Strait of Hormuz, could create further volatility in global commodity and oil prices. Focus for the day. EURZEW Economic Sentiment Index. Key corporate developments/policy actions. Mankind Pharma is gearing up to be among the first movers in India's semaglutide market post-patent expiry in March 2026, with application across multiple specialties including cardiology, orthopedics, and gynecology. Redington subsidiary Redington Gulf FZE has reported operational restrictions in the Gulf region due to geopolitical tensions. Financial impact is currently unquantifiable and dependent on the situation. Reliance Industries has signed a binding 15-year supply and purchase agreement with Samsung C&T Corporation, South Korea, for the supply of green ammonia starting in the second half of fiscal year 2029. The deal, valued at over $3 billion, ranks among the world's largest long-term green ammonia offtake agreements. Tata Motors announced a price increase of up to 1.5% across its commercial vehicle range, effective April 1, 2026, to partially offset the impact of rising commodity prices and other input costs. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 93.65 billion rupees, while DII bought for 125.93 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.